Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, the
Good
children.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. How are you all doing?
I'm fine.
Ma'am, good.
Good. That's really very
Yes, ma'am.
nice.
Ma'am, when you will tell our marks?
Which marks? Forget about the
UT.
marks. No, forget about the marks. Why you
Ma'am,
want to
please
know?
tell.
Ma'am, start new chapter of history.
Yes, we will start new chapter of history, but you have to tell me whether we are done with the this
Ma'am,
manufacturing
Ma'am,
industry.
I'm done.
Huh?
ma'am, we have done with the geography part.
We are done with the geography part. No. All the question answers, everything was done.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
that's really very nice. So what we will do? We will start with the history chapter, right?
And chapter number 13.
Yes, chapter 13, very interesting chapter it is. It tells you about the, what does it tells you?
About the national Indian national movement.
Yes, about the nationalist movements that were initiated by the nationalist leaders of the country at that time when the British were ruling, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So before we start with the chapter, I want you people to do this flowchart if you can. Shall we do the flowchart first?
Yes, ma'am.
You know? And when will you be sending me your work?
Ma'am, tomorrow.
Tomorrow you will send geography work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's really very good. Fine, I'm sharing the screen with you all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay, today the strength seems to be quite good. I'm just sharing the screen with you all, right?
Okay, ma'am. I got what the.
Beta, can you see the screen, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we have to draw this flowchart on a plain side or ruled side.
On the ruled side.
Okay,
On the
ma'am.
ruled side, you will be drawing this flowchart.
मैम एक बार इसको फुल दिखा दीजिए. I have to take a screenshot.
What?
मैम एक बार इसको फुल दिखा दीजिए. I have to take a screenshot.
Why you will take the screenshot, beta, when we are doing it in the class? Why do you want to take the screenshot, batao, beta? Huh? See, I am sharing the screen with you all over here, right? You do it so that you don't have to waste your time unnecessarily extra, you know. You are in the class, you do it that time itself. Will it not be fine?
Yes, ma'am, it would be fine.
Ha. Chalo. So continue. Can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Ha.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you scroll a little bit?
Down.
No, ma'am, up.
Okay. See, you will write chapter 13, Indian National Movement, right? Then you will
Yes,
write
ma'am.
flowchart 1, Indian National Movement. See, good afternoon, Fazil. When we talk about the Indian nationalist movement, we say that it was divided into three parts. One was the moderate era, the other was the radical era, and the third was the Gandhian era. So I have written the dates, the years in which these particular, you know, people or the associations were active, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Yes, very good. I hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine, fine. And once you are done with the first flowchart, send it on the class group so that I know that these all have done. Those who are in the meeting, they need to ensure that they have sent their work. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी बेटा.
Ma'am, my mobile battery is low, ma'am. Ma'am, I have joined my mother's mobile.
Yes. You can connect it with the charger. Where is the problem?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I have joined with my mother's mobile.
Okay, fine, fine.
Ma'am, only this much it is.
No, no. This
Okay.
first flowchart is still here. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा ज़ैनब.
Ma'am, could you please read out after, like the second one, the radical era?
Radical era, it is also termed as aggressive phase, as they used aggressive altitude and agitational methods to protest.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Okay, I'll just check better.
Ma'am, then.
Very good. Those who are doing the first one, please send it on the class group. I'll check. Very good, Tanishka.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Do we have Daksh Bhardwaj in the class?
Ma'am, sent.
Okay. Just checking. Huh? Okay. I'll just call out the names, those who are there in the class. Tanishka, Zainab, Fazil, Kushagra, Dhruv, Rajnandani, Vansh Maheshwari, Shashank, Tanmay, Pranjali, Ashish Yadav, Pranjali Singh, that was Pranjali Dikshit, and Manya Verma. Only these many are there in the class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Manrina
Yes,
also
ma'am.
joined? Manrina is not there?
No, ma'am.
Only Vansh has sent. Pranjali, Vansh Maheshwari. Okay, sorry, Rajnandani, Ashish, send your work, beta. Ashish Yadav has also sent.
Ma'am, I had sent, but I did on the
Rule, rule side.
yes, ma'am.
No problems, no issues, beta. It's fine. Is everyone done with the first flow chart?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Shall I scroll for the second one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So this is the second flow chart. It tells you about second flow chart tells you about the methods of struggle of the moderates, right? Do it this way. Okay.
Ma'am, done sending.
Very good, Vansh. Very good. And what about Tanmay and others? Those who are there, Tanmay?
Ma'am, this flowchart is only this much big.
Yes, only this much big. Yes.
Okay, then I'm sending.
Ma'am, sent.
Very good. Just checking.
Ma'am, done and sent.
Okay, checking. Checking, beta. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
What about A section?
Ma'am, how many flowcharts are there?
Is everyone done with the second flowchart, class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Fine. Wait. Just a second. Yes, sir. Mhm. 1 second. Huh? This is only this much. Then we have the third flow chart. Everyone is done with the second one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the third one. I hope it is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it.
Ma'am, I have sent my second flowchart.
Okay, Tanishka. Very good. Done, beta?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Just sending.
Okay. Waiting.
Send one.
Send, checking.
Ma'am, done and sent.
Okay. Oh. Okay, very good, Fazil.
Ma'am, there is one more flowchart.
Yes, one more is there. The fourth one. And this fourth one, I think you'll be able to finish in 9 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it, beta.
Yes.
Sir, ma'am, I have also sent my third flowchart.
Checking.
Ma'am, I also.
Okay, Fazil, very good. Tanishka, very good. Good. Ashish Yadav got disconnected. जी बेटा, saying something?
Ma'am, what is the last second word written in the non-cooperation movement?
Surrendering of titles. Surrendering of titles.
Okay, ma'am. Hurry up, children. We have less time.
Ma'am, done and sent.
Okay, just checking. Very good, Ashish.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is written this after civil?
Civil disobedience movement.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done and sent.
Okay, checking. Fazil. Okay,
Ma'am, sent.
checking. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well done, beta. See, now you have saved on your time unnecessary. You don't have to open the video again and go through this flow chart and make it again, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You know, you should always utilize the time instead of, I don't know, somebody was asking for the screenshot. Why screenshot, beta, when we have to do things in the notebook? Why not do it there and then only? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this one was the last flowchart.
We have one more of the revolutionaries. So this we will do on Monday because we hardly have time left.
Ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am, I have to write only 2 things.
Done, beta.
Three. And INA, Indian
National Army.
National Army.
Right?
Okay, ma'am.